Hey folks, check this out. It's February 28th, and now my Chicagoland friends here wouldn't be surprised because we've had such nice weather, no measurable snow all year in January or February. Right now it's thunderstorming pretty good. There were heavy storms south of us, one death in Ottawa, Illinois. There were some big tornadoes down there. Condolences to those affected. But yeah, if you look up at the sky here, it's great. I was talking to Al Michelle, and she said they're planning on getting snow. Whoa, 2 to 4 inches tomorrow. And yeah, that sucks up by her. We've got thunderstorms. It has been a weird Chicago season for us here. But yeah, you can see the lightning. You know, I don't know what it's like up north. I'm facing south out my bedroom window here. Wow, pretty lights. Dang. Let's look a little east here. See if any cool happens that way. And the rain has picked up now. It was raining good earlier, but now, you know, it's slowed down. Now it's back again. Yep, lightning all around west. Yeah, that's cool. So thank you for watching. Hope everybody's been safe from the storms. And yeah, see you soon. Waiting for that boom. Okay, there's gonna be some booms. I hope. Or is it just rolling thunder? Cool. Thanks for watching. Dang, every time I want to shut it off, a big flash comes out. Well, it's just great to hear these sounds. February. I was just about to shut it off too, and then boom, another light. Okay, see ya. Darn it! No! Alright, well thanks for watching, really. I mean it.